In this video, we will see about MIPS assembly code. MIPS means millions of instructions per second. Assembly code means it uses the mnemonic codes. That means it is in the form of opcode followed by the operands. Now we are going to discuss about how to write a assembly code from the C statement. So the given C statement is A of 12 that is equal to H plus A of 8. While observing this C statement, we have the array concept here. So A of 12 is nothing but array variable. A of 8 also array variable. So what about the array? Array is a collection of similar data items that share a common name. So here we have to use the value from the 8th location in the A variable. And we have to store the result into the 12th location in the A variable. So we know very well array. What about the array? What about the first location of the array variable? The first location will be 0. The second location will be 2. The third location will be 2. Third and fourth location will be 3. In this way only programmer is thinking. But physically the processor has the first location 0, second location will be 4, third location will be 8, and fourth location will be 12. We can see the differences. So while thinking about the logic, it is increased by 1, but physically it is increased by 4. Okay, what it means? Our processor is here 32 processor. So 32-bit processor means we can say how many bits? 32-bit is nothing but 4 bytes. 32 bits is nothing but 4 bytes. That's why processor has a first location 0 and second location 4, third location is 8. Okay. So now we have to access the 8th location from the A variable. So you have to multiply the 4 here. So what about the 8 fours are? It is nothing but 32. So we can say 32. What about the register here? We are going to use for A variable. It is nothing but S3. So for the A variable, we are going to use the register name is S3. So what about the location of 8? It is nothing but 32. So 32 of S3 means we are going to take the 8th location from the A variable. Okay. So after observing this A of 8, we have to transfer the data from A of 8 to temporary location. It is nothing but T0. So with the help of load instruction, we can transfer the data from memory to register. So this is the assignment statement of A of 8. So after transferring the data from memory to register, what we have to perform? We have to add with the H. So now we are going to imagine H is represented by the S2. So S2 register is used for representing the value of H. So what about the addition? So add S2 and T0. You have to add the value of S2 and T0 and you have to store it into the temporary register T0 again. And finally, you have to store the result into the array variable A of 12. So what about the A of 12? So you have to multiply with 4. So what about the 12 fours are? It is nothing but 48. So you are going to use the 48 of S3. S3 is nothing but the register is used for the variable A. So therefore 48 of S3 represents A of 12. So finally the value of T0 will be stored into the A of 12. So this is the assembly code for the given C statement. Thank you.